Sorry, but we're closed.
I know. My car broke down.
Right. So you can lure me outside, and Dan and 5 of his goons will work me over? No, thanks.
Dan's not with me. I promise.
Let me grab my coat. Well, see what I can do. I'm not really the mechanic type. Wow. The advancements on these things are amazing, aren't they? How much she set you back?
Oh, hundreds. What do you drive?
I don't. Guess I'm not ready to give up on good old-fashioned walking.
You know, no one ever stands up to Dan that way.
That right?
Mm-hmm. And to be perfectly honest, I think the confrontation made him respect you. That's how he judges people, you know. Are they weak or are they strong? It's just his way.
It's not my way. I'm a kind man unless you give me a reason to be otherwise. I'm sorry. My Uncle Keith was a mechanic in the family.
It's okay. Leave it. But you wouldn't mind a good old-fashioned walk home, would you?
Sure, I can do that. Where do you live?
That way.
Let's go.